I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with the lost souls, looking for a hustle. Got a pulse on the streets, I'm the one you won't look in the eye, no. Yeah, well, I could see what's headed for you down that road. And soon it's coming to take everything.
Cooking with the best in the world, take one. And we only need one take for the fucking awesome campers. Okay, so today we're doing Spam, Richard's idea. I don't know why.
I was made in the shadows, where the light ain't allowed to go. When the line gets a little blurry, you're gonna need somebody like me. Through the smoke, through the fog, through the boneyards, when your white nights in.
This is fucking difficult. Just bend the can, he says. The fuck? Oh, we have movement. Fucking one log. Oh yeah, look at these spammy bits. Okay. Spam fucking burnt ends. Oh yeah, who's the bad spam now? Did you see that? I almost fucking cut my finger off. Spamalicious. Oh yeah, look at this fucking cutting champion. Okay, so we gotta make these burnt ends taste good. Gooder, I like that word. So I'm gonna take a little fucking Dijon. A little Dijon, give her a little coat. Don't these just look so yummy right now? Don't you want to eat them? Just when
your brother's got blood in the streets, you better call somebody like me. I was made in the shade.
Alright. We'll let these coals get hot. We'll fill bomb the smoker, get that going. But now we got important things to do. We need booze. Come on, campers, let's go. Vámonos, vámonos,
Call
vámonos.
somebody like me, cause you want somebody like me. When the lines get a little blurry, gonna need somebody like me.
And then, now we're adding the water.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with a lost soul.
I got the applewood chunks in there. Got this all smoking up. Poor man's burnt ends. This is the Spamalot. And I want to get smoke all around these bad boys.
To take everything you know.
Got the wood, got everything in, the water dish. Now we're just gonna let the magic happen. We're gonna let this go about 2 hours. Then we'll put the barbecue sauce on, transfer them to tinfoil packs. Then they'll get all saucy. And then we'll do that for an hour. Then we'll put some honey on them and glaze them up, and they're gonna be fucking delish.
Blurry, you're gonna need somebody like me. Through the smoke, through the fog, through the boneyards, when your white night's in his grave, I'm your last call. Cause you're about to walk through places they don't know you. If they don't know you, it ain't safe, y'all. Yeah, well, I can see what's headed for you down there.
Welcome to episode 20, Cooking with Rick and Ryan.
20 episodes.
That's a big deal, man. That's a big deal.
That's why we're fucking doing Spam today.
Spam today.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers, man. Cheers. That's right. I'm going to do sushi mugabi. Mugubi. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically,
Shumagmi.
it's spam sushi.
Oh, that's gonna taste amazing.
Yeah. Both you and I are excited. The
Yeah.
camera person I'm doing it for, because camera person loves sushi.
Yeah, but I don't know if she's gonna love the Spam part of it.
She might. So this is popular.
Yeah.
It's sold all around the world. I researched it a little bit.
1940 when the war ended.
It's popular though. Hawaiians love it. Like there's
I know Hawaiians love it. They
all
do
over the
breakfast.
world. There's recipes for this thing, and I think like the guys who make this have factories all over the world.
Yeah, they do. They have
And
different
it's
styles.
yeah, it's like 100 different, probably more. That you can get. One has chorizo sausage in it. I don't know.
Good. There's one with jalapenos in it.
Yeah.
So since you broke your virginity
On what?
last week,
Did I?
well, you cooked with weed. So it's
Oh,
good for you.
that's right. Yeah.
So I got you a gift. It's like
Okay.
it's like you know, a celebration.
Oh, okay.
So if everyone in all our barbecue episodes that you see us barbecue, and you see Richard's fucking spatula that he uses from 1980,
Yeah.
it's this big rusted, it's got grooves from the grill
Yeah.
worn in it. He'll put a shot of it right here in the corner of the screen.
Yeah.
Not this corner, that corner.
Okay, I'll remember.
Wait till you see
Alright.
this. Look at this bitch! Look at that!
Got it.
Flip it over. Now that's a fucking spatula.
Gotcha. I could cook small babies with that thing. I'm gonna use that. Well, since Ryan comes over all the time and cooks, we'll both use this then.
That's a cool spatula.
Cool, man. Thank you. That's great.
She was headed for you down that road, and soon it's coming to.
Gonna add the coleslaw. Bada boom, bada bing. Only gonna do this a couple minutes.
You're gonna need somebody like me when your brother's got.
One of those cleaver knives that everyone uses now.
Oh yeah?
They kind of go up like a fucking samurai.
That's
Like
right.
they're big cleaver.
Yeah.
They're fucking wicked.
To get this out,
You squeeze it and
you
shit.
squeeze it.
That's what I did. Yeah. He's a. Ew.
Like that. So do you have plastic wrap? I gotta put plastic wrap in there to do my rice. So 1/4 inch thick I think I need
For what?
for my sushi.
Hey man, this is all you, man. I haven't even made some regular sushi. You know, this fucking sushi with Spam.
Well, like she was headed for you down that road.
I just need to put it in like
This
this.
is what you're making. That's your mold?
That's my mold. And then this is
Oh,
my...
you didn't sign that contract. I need to sign it. Anything that's made here.
Stay here.
Fucking hard times. Girlfriend's not here today.
You know camera person wants that hole right there. I don't need to make more. Well, no, I need probably 2 pieces.
I'll move it right there.
So, my risotto. So,
Camera person, is that camera on?
Comes out of the sea. You're gonna need somebody like me. When your brother's got blood in the streets, you better call somebody like me.
Leave no man behind.
here's these little chicken stock. And we're gonna start our risotto off. So in our little molds here, we're gonna put a little bit of the sticky stuff. Just gonna let that sit in there until we do up our Spam. So you just want to push this down, but don't worry if you don't do it all the way. The Spam, when you cook it, you push it down and use the plastic wrap. We'll show you guys that.
I still don't get what you're doing. How's that molding it? Aren't you supposed to put the Spam, put rice, put it in plastic wrap, spin it, and then you pop
No, this is, we're gonna do it this way. This is the way to make it look
Spam
that.
way?
Because then look, when I put this in there, when it's cooked and you push it down, it's the same size.
You gotta cook that?
Yeah, I'm gonna just grill it
You're
up.
not doing sashimi style?
No. As the arborio rice starts sucking all that delicious chicken stock in my risotto, it's going.
Fucking beauty.
In the shadows, where the light ain't allowed to go. When the line gets
Is ready? And then it'll be poor man's bird ends, kicking whatever that fucking sushi crap he's making.
when your white knight's in his grave, I'm your last.
Okay, my risotto is looking great. My Spam in there, a little bit of Spam. Got some ginger in there.
For you down that road, and soon it's coming to take everything you know.
Got some peppers in there, got some onions in there.
You're gonna need somebody like me when your brother's got blood in the streets.
Richard
Take
has
2
to eat
seconds.
all these cans before he leaves. Fucking, it's gonna look the same way on the way out as it did on in. It's just gonna be cylinders instead of fucking rectangles.
Right. You know what we should do? We should have a contest. We open it.
Fuck you, I will not know.
Cause you want somebody like me when the line gets a little blurry. Gonna need somebody like me when the monster crawls out of the sea. You're gonna need.
Ready, Brian?
Fucking waiting where you are. What is going on here? Spam, I bet. I bet you're cooking something with Spam.
Really? Okay, so we got our Spam, and we're gonna put this right up in temperature.
We're gonna need somebody like me. Better call somebody like me.
See, that actually looks pretty good.
So this is soy, sugar, and some white wine vinegar.
Oh yeah, it's a fucking luau today.
Yep. International Spam Day. Burnt ends is what? American?
Oh yeah. That's
Okay,
weird.
so we're doing all the
American
countries.
barbecue, man.
We're doing all the countries, right?
Spamalicious.
Spamalicious.
Damn fucking marathon right here. You ever seen Richard cooking with so much Spam? They teach you this in chef school?
They didn't teach us this in chef school.
You take everything you know.
We have a right.
When the monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need somebody like me. When your brother's got blood in the streets, you better call somebody like me.
And just lift it out. And we take one of our little seaweed guys. Push that around.
Cause you're about to walk through places they don't know you. If they don't know you, it ain't safe, y'all. Yeah, well, I can see what's headed for you down that road. And soon it's coming to take everything you know. Yeah, when that monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need somebody like me. When your brother's got blood.
Okay, Ryan. We learned some stuff about Spam. I tried Spam, sushi, mugubi, something. I gave my tacos. So I got my Spam in there. I made risotto. So I did Italian, Mexican, Hawaiian, and you did your fantastic looking coleslaw, and that smells great.
Spam, gourmet burn-ins, and real burn-ins.
All right, so let's do spam, because I know I'd rather have that.
Yeah,
so
let's try it.
okay, it's good.
Not bad.
Love the barbecue. Yeah, that's Candy. You are a pro on the smoker, my friend. Camera person, would you just like a little nibble?
Try that. Yeah, get all the fat in there.
Oh,
yeah.
so good.
Spicy too.
That's great, right?
Okay, try the smoked cabbage or slaw.
Crunchy. Delicious.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, I always make that.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so this is risotto with spam. Add a little ginger to it and a little onion.
Good ginger.
Yeah, the ginger elevates that.
Yeah.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with the lost souls, looking for a hustle. Got a pulse on the streets.
At least the crunch helps the spam.
She was headed for you down that road.
That's okay.
It's good. Crunch is good.
And so here we have our little spam. Okay, so we got spam 4 ways. Now I like this. That smokes. That's the fake burnt ends was great.
Yeah, the poor man.
Yeah, and I did like the taco. And
Taco was good.
I think the ginger really
The
rescues
ginger in the
this.
risotto is good, even without the spam in it. Yeah, I want another piece of that before we say goodbye.
That's fantastic. Okay, cheers, my friends. Episode
Cheers.
20. Thanks for watching. Cooking Rick and Rye.
Cause you're about to walk through places they don't know you. If they don't know you, it ain't safe, y'all. Yeah, well, I could see what's headed for you down that road. And soon it's coming to take everything you know. Yeah, when the monster crawls out of the sea.
Fucking bitch was buying lottery tickets in there. Fucking hate those cocksuckers. Buys lottery tickets, buys a fucking cheap fucking $12 bottle of wine, buys some other shit, and pays for it all fucking individually. Oh, I want 4 million fucking lottery tickets. I'll pay with my phone. Oh, I need this cheap shit bottle of wine. I'll pay with my debit card. Oh, I want a scratchy thing. I'll pay with this fucking card. I was ready to throttle
Somebody like me, cause you want somebody like me. When the line gets a little blurry, gonna need